Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing all peripherals. This prevents short circuits while you work. Place the tablet screen down on an ESD mat and heat the rear seam evenly with a heat gun to soften adhesive. Aim for 80 to 90 degrees Celsius for about 60 to 90 seconds. Once done, insert a plastic pick at one corner and gently pry, sliding picks around the seam. Make sure to keep pressure low to avoid cracking the glass and stop when you reach internal clips. After opening, locate and remove the small screws holding the battery bracket using the correct T5 or T3 driver so you avoid stripping heads. Then, carefully lift the bracket and disconnect the battery cable from the mainboard. You must disconnect power before attempting removal to prevent damage. Once disconnected, pry the adhesive tabs under the battery slowly. If the adhesive resists, apply a small amount of high-purity isopropyl and reheat briefly. Make sure to support the cell so it does. Place the replacement battery into the bay and align it carefully, then reconnect the battery cable to the board. This restores power and keeps connectors from being stressed. Reinstall the bracket and fasteners, replace adhesive or OEM pads, and press the rear cover firmly into place to reseal. Once assembled, plug in the charger and power on. Check that battery status shows charging and run a 15-minute stress test to verify stability. If the device fails to power or charge, reopen, confirm the connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.